Welcome to the last segment of the show. It's called azluxurytour.com. If you are in San Diego and happen to turn on your television, we're talking about Arizona real estate, Arizona prices. They're fantastic. Our co-host is
Jim Barker. I'm with South Pacific Financial. We're a local lender serving all of Arizona.
Our guest is Michelle. Introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Michelle Howes with Remax Platinum Living. I work out of our waterfront office here in Scottsdale.
You got a beautiful listing cut in the North Scottsdale Carefree area.
Correct.
Major intersection, where are we at?
Major intersection is Scottsdale Road and Carefree Highway.
And as you pull up, first of all, this is a gated community.
It is a gated community at the base of Black Mountain.
You pull up to the home. What do you describe the home for us?
Home is a territorial, about 4,400 square feet. We just did a massive renovation on it. Wow. Spent about $50,000 just doing pavers for the driveway. So you drive up the brand new paver driveway into a side entrance 3-car garage. There's also a portico share pull through by the front door.
And go towards the front door, describe that entry area.
Front door is a custom door that we just put in. It is iron with glass panes that open.
Very nice.
Into the entryway, 14-foot ceilings throughout. When you walk through the front door, you can look straight out and you can see as far west as you could imagine.
Beautiful views. And formal dining in here?
There is a formal dining. It's a large room. It could even be used for a billiard room. You could put a pool table in there if you didn't need the formal dining area.
And you have fireplace brand new?
We do. We have the brand new inline fireplaces that are very slimlined. Gas fireplace in the wall as well.
Very nice. Let's go to the kitchen area. Describe that.
Kitchen again was a custom remodel. It has the cream glazed cabinets throughout. We did the massive island in a very dark wood.
Very nice.
The cool thing is the granite that we picked is what's called a satin finish. So it does not glare. It's just a very flat finish. It's beautiful. All top of the line Thermador appliances, 6 gas burner stove, 2 dishwashers.
Wow.
Prep sink on the island. Sub-Zero.
Wow.
Yeah.
Let's go to the master bedroom.
Okay. Master is split. Master bedroom is huge. It has a sitting area with its own fireplace as well. Looks out again as far west as you can see. It's large, very, very large.
And then you've got an office area, but it's all ensuite bedroom potential too.
Well, yes. On the way to the master, there is an ensuite. It does have double doors. The seller was using it previously as his office in there.
Very good.
So it could be either.
So other bedrooms, you've got a bath. How many other bedrooms with?
There's the ensuite, and then there's 3 other bedrooms with another bath and a half.
Fantastic.
So it's 5 bedrooms, 3.5 baths.
And then the backyard.
Backyard is amazing. Again, all new pavers, beautiful pool, all new landscaping, and probably the most amazing views of the West Valley and sunsets that you're going to see.
And a big lot, you can build a guest house here.
Big lot,
Fantastic.
huge lot where you're able to build a guest house.
List price.
List price is $1,549,000.
Wow, what a house you can get for this. And let's talk financing. First of all, tell us a little bit about the background on South Pacific.
South Pacific is a 30-year-old company. We've been around since 1983. We kind of pride ourselves on the knowledge and experience of our loan officers. Our president, John Johnson, and our vice president, Dan Manginelli, take great pride in providing us with all the products that are necessary to compete in the marketplace, along with the latest technology.
You guys are great. I know for a fact that they've saved some deals that other lenders couldn't close.
That's
and
true.
Tell us a little bit about working with Jim.
Jim is amazing. I know that when I work with Jim, I never have to worry about missing a close of escrow date. I know I never have to worry about getting halfway in and finding out that my client isn't approved. So
He's the best.
he is the best.
Great
I'm the
team.
best. If you need help with any loan, please give us a call. My number's right behind me.
Excellent. We got to wrap up the show. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next week.
Thanks.